Welcome, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first, to do that we should go into the settings here and then scroll to the lock screen section. After that, just tap here on the always on display feature, and here we can say just time to show the AOD. We can also just switch it to tap to show on the lock screen to show always, show as scheduled. Here we can set the time if you want, or just show only for the new notifications. Here we can also change the clock style. We got here the 5 different clock styles here, or here in the 3 dots we can also set here the calendar if you want. For example, this one here we can change the size and the color of the calendar, of the dates and the time here of the clock. After that, just click to done to save the changes here, or also if you wanna set, for example, the image here to your clock, we can select the photos for our device gallery from the emojis, the bitmojis, and the different stickers. Here we got, as can you see, we can also add them from the internet, for example, but I will go with the default one, for example with this cat. Then just click here to done. Also here we can change the orientation from the portrait to the landscape. I'll stay with the portrait maybe. Here we can also enable or disable the auto brightness. If we'll turn off the auto brightness, we can just change the brightness here manually by swipe this dot to the left or to the right side. And here we got some descriptions about the always on display. And that's it. That's how to customize AOD feature on our Samsung Galaxy A53. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.